This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'll quickly show how you can lock the screen of your phone with a fingerprint. So launch settings, enter the security category, tap at the fingerprint manager, select the backup screen lock method you would like to enable with the biometrical one. In my case, I'll go with pattern. Then set up your respective backup password. Onwards, manage or select notifications, preferences, agree on the terms, and then you can just start enrolling your fingerprint. So the sensor is located at the side power key. So just repeatedly lay and lift your finger on and out of the scanner until the entire surface of your fingertip will be read, scanned, enrolled, whatever. Once it does, you can start unlocking the screen of your device conveniently with your own fingerprint. And it is also worth noticing or mentioning that you can add multiple fingerprints as well. So you can add all your fingerprints, all 10 of them, I guess, but perhaps you'll just figure it out yourself, which fingerprints to add. Anyway, the second option I wanted to show, you can find it the display category of settings. It is called the high refresh rate. Where is it? Here it is. And by toggling this switch, you will set the display refresh rate value to 120 Hz, which will provide you with smoother display experience, smoother animations, and so on. But at the same time, it will drain more battery. The next feature that I wanted to share is actually the family of apps that are unique for Sony Xperia smartphones. Those are the Pro tools, and you have 3 of them: Music Pro, Video Pro, and Camera or Cinema Pro. So starting with Music Pro, this app allows you to semi-professionally record sound with your phone, edit it, then perform the studio tuning procedures as well. So I will not dive deep into it since those apps are very complex, provide you with a bunch of features. Just figured you really should know about them. The Video Pro allows you to film a very high quality videos with it, provides you with a lot of manual parameters to tweak, to change, to increase or decrease. Let me just open it real quick. So here, even from the interface, you see that it is a really professional tool in terms of, well, at least smartphone cinematography. So use it if you are interested, and also I will not dive any deep into it since it will take a while. And the third tool is the Cinema Pro one, and it allows you to film your videos horizontally and in more like cinema friendly or big picture screen style, I would say. So here is the interface of the Cinema Pro app. And you can already tell that there are a lot of things you can tweak around. So anyway, if you're a camera enthusiast, you can just go for it and figure everything out yourself. Moving on, I will show how you can perform the reverse charging procedure on this phone, or simply use it as the dock station to charge other devices that support the wireless charging technology, of course. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings, go for battery share function, and then use battery share function toggle, turn it on. Now you will need to place other device at the back of your Sony. So let's say I'll place my phone like that, and as you can see, it starts charging right away. So like this, you can charge your wireless earbuds, your smartwatch, I don't know, any other phone, as you could have already seen. So basically just use your Xperia phone to juice up any other devices that are running out of battery. The last tip that I wanted to share rather, is a very small and quick one. So as you can see right now, the battery percentage is not shown at the status bar unless I will unfold the notification panel. So in order for you to display the battery percentage at all times over there, next to the battery icon, you gotta launch settings, enter battery category, and switch on battery percentage toggle. And well, that'll be it, not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.